CATA esports.
If you reach the flower fields, there's some pretty good mushroom shortcuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
in last.
Oh, there's another cat peach. Oh my god.
I'm starting in 6. Okay, I'm in 7. 8. I have a
7.
Okay,
I'm in
I have a
eighth,
mushroom in 7.
I'm in 8th. I'm right behind you. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
8.
in 6. I'm in 6.
I have triple bananas, so watch out.
Okay. I'm in 4th. I'm in 4th.
Okay, I have triple bananas.
Okay, I have 4 mushrooms.
I'm in 3rd.
I'm gonna pass you, Nico.
Alright. Oh, watch out. I have triple bananas.
I know.
Okay, I'm in 3rd. They have top 2 at the moment.
Okay.
7.
Okay, straight up my item.
6.
Okay, 7.
Okay.
5th.
Oh, I have 4 mushrooms.
I'm in 3rd still. Oh, bomb. Okay. That's not good.
6.
I'm in 5th.
Oliver has triple reds. I mean greens.
Yeah, okay. I'm in 4th.
Tap top 4.
Okay.
Oh, I hit
Okay,
Oliver.
I'm in 3rd.
5th.
I'm in 7th.
Oh, triple reds from JV. Watch out, Nico.
Okay, I'm in
Okay, I'm in
3rd.
6th.
She's gonna throw him at the side. 6. 5th.
I'm in 4th.
I have a
He still
horn.
has a red.
I have a horn and I have a.
Okay, I'm in 4th. I'm 3rd. I'm in episode 3rd.
5th.
Okay.
JB has. Oh, watch out.
Uh oh. I got 4th. Okay. Okay.
Alright, I got 7.
6. Ah man, rough start.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, I got
There's
way
only
too
first
greedy
race.
for
There's only
items
first race. Don't
there.
sweat.
I got way too greedy for items. That sucks.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, we're only 7
Yeah, we have
points
6, which is
behind.
nice.
Okay.
Top 2 should like just.
Amsterdam is none of our strongest track. It's fine.
Yeah. I got.
Yep.
Okay.
Starting in 3rd again.
I'm
Okay.
in 4th.
I'm in 6th, was it?
I'm in 7th. I'm in 7th.
No, 6th then.
From the mountaintop of that first.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Don't do it because it's too risky.
Okay. Right, 5th.
6th.
Uh-oh. Something's wrong with this controller.
Uh-oh.
What?
It's holding down the A button by itself now. There's no turbo
Auto
button. So
accelerate on. I
I'm
have
in
triple
1st.
bananas
I'm
in
in
4th.
1st. I'm in 1st. I'm in 1st. No
Alright,
item.
Third.
I'll worry about it later. Alright, 8.
JV only has a banana behind you, Jordan. So you're
Okay.
good right now.
Yeah, I see him.
They're showing the banana now. 2nd with double banana.
Okay.
I'm in 1st with a
JV
banana.
JV has triple green. Taking the shortcut. Bananing the shortcut. Bananing the shortcut.
Yeah.
Ah,
I'm in 2nd. I have a banana and a bomb.
He's throwing the greens.
Alright, I'm in 8th.
Have a bomb in 2nd.
I'm in. Okay, good.
Okay, I'm in
Bomb and
5th.
green shot. Bomb and green shot.
Okay, I'm in 5th. I
Alright.
have triple mushrooms and triple greens.
Bombing big turn. Oh, never mind.
I'm in 1st.
Showing green.
Oh, 4th has a red.
Okay. I'm trailing.
Okay,
I'm
never mind. 3rd has a red.
Okay. I'm trailing at the moment. I'm still in 1st. I'm still in 1st.
Nicely, Jordan. Nicely.
Okay.
Okay, I'm in 3rd.
Fifth right
Second.
now with triple mushroom.
Okay. I'm in 1st
Okay, I'm in
though.
3rd right now.
Okay,
Jordan
I'm in
should
fourth.
have 1st for the rest of the race. We just gotta get the lead here, guys.
Okay, I'm still in 1st.
Oh shoot.
I'm
2nd.
keeping strong. Okay.
That,
Don't worry,
if
I'm
you see a
still
red
first.
shell, it's mine, Jordan. Okay.
Okay.
Chronically in 2nd.
Okay. 1st though.
Using it.
Okay. I'm still in 1st. Alright.
Alright, 5th.
Okay, I'm in first. I got first.
Okay, pop a star.
Bullet.
Okay, I got 6. I'm gonna
Seven.
swap out. I'm gonna swap out
I don't know if
controllers.
that's positive.
No.
Oh my
By the way,
God.
guys, I'm gonna swap out controllers. So.
Okay.
I just got really unlucky.
Yeah. That's fine.
That's. Yeah, that's 1 point positive.
Okay.
Like, he's starting in first. We're all starting in like middle. Yeah.
Just
Yeah, I'm
defend
in
me
six.
if something happens.
Okay. Oh, I think they're also backing.
Yep,
They
they're
know.
backing.
Okay,
I'm in first.
Okay, I have 4
Oliver has
mushrooms.
triple greens.
I'm in
Nice.
second. Okay.
I'm probably gonna use my mushrooms into the short guy at the end. So yeah.
I'm in first.
I'm in third. Third with a red shell
Oh.
and a
By the way, no,
fireball.
save your star. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay, I'm in
Save
first
your star.
Third right now with a boomerang. I just threw a
So,
bunch of
make
fire
5%.
behind.
I'm still in first. I'm trailing red. Oh,
What?
still first.
Okay,
Still
fifth.
first. I think
What?
they're right behind me though. Oh,
No, you have a decent lead.
Oh,
Oh, blue shell.
is that my? That's me. That's me.
Yeah, that's you.
No. Okay.
I'm in.
I got
I'm in
hit.
second.
I'm in 4.
Oh, JB has the red shell.
Okay, I'm 4.
Okay, I have a mushroom in the bed. I'm gonna use.
Okay, take the shortcut.
I
Go my
have
green shell.
4.
Okay, I'm gonna use this mushroom into the shortcut and then draw my bed.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be defense
Mushroom
behind us.
first.
Fireballs behind us.
Okay, I'm trailing. Oh, never mind.
Okay, I'm in second.
I'm in first.
They have a
Watch out for
boomerang
shock
behind me.
here, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in seventh
Oh,
right now.
I got past. Someone's getting the star. Okay, I have a point.
Okay. I'm in third.
Eighth and
though.
a star.
Oh. I'm in
Fourth.
fifth. I'm in fifth. Okay. I'm in fifth.
Fourth right now with a golden.
Okay. Oh, I have a bullet. Alright, give me a mushroom. Thank you. Okay, I got triple mushroom.
Alright, second.
Fifth.
I got 6.
Oh, that, I don't
Interesting.
think that's positive.
No.
Okay. Yeah. 3 more races though, guys. 3 more races.
Yep.
That would be a 15-point deficit. Okay.
Okay. Just try to get mushrooms.
Front run. Oh, I'm in second, so I guess I have to front run.
Okay.
Okay, everyone just. Yeah, everyone just front run.
Good.
Fifth right now with the mushroom. I have a mushroom.
Okay.
I'm in
Fourth.
7th.
Slip streaming.
I'm in 6th. I'm in 4th. I'm in 3rd.
Okay, I'm in 6.
Behind you. Okay.
I have a bed and I have a mushroom.
Yeah,
I'm
mushroom
in
is red and blue.
I'm
Taking
in
the big
6th.
shortcut.
I took shortcut. I'm triple up.
Okay, 6.
Okay. I'm in 3rd. Oh,
First with the red shell. First with the red shell.
Yeah. I'm in 7th. Okay. Never mind, I'm 8th.
Okay, I'm in 3rd. I have a mushroom and a bomb.
Okay.
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 I'm in 8th with no
Train
item.
into this item shed.
So 8th with no item.
Okay, I have a bomb on me.
I'm
Oh,
seven.
watch out. 3rd has a horn.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, darn it. Yeah, that was...
Hopefully that doesn't hit me. It did. Nope, I'm still good. I'm in 5th.
Going first with a red shell and
Okay.
a horn.
I have 3 mushrooms. I'm in 7th.
You're still in second, Isaac? Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Look, the guy behind you has a mushroom.
Okay, I have a red shell if he takes any shortcuts. Okay, just red him if he takes a shortcut.
Okay.
Oh, triple reds behind you, Jordan.
Okay. Triple reds.
Okay, now it's behind me.
Okay. Oh. I can hit here.
Okay,
Yep.
I still have my.
I'm 6. I'm 6. Okay. I'm in 6 still. Don't worry. Shortcut. I'm in 4th now.
First.
Oh, I might get it right here. I might get it here. Yeah.
First. Nice, that's positive.
Nah, I'm getting 4th. I'm getting 4th.
Yeah! Fifth. Nice.
Yo, that's
better.
that's great, guys. That's awesome.
Nice.
I think that just brought us right back into this game.
Yup.
I don't know if it split the entire deficit, but definitely brought us back.
Probably not, but.
Oh, Kai!
No,
No,
nice.
yeah, we're
Well,
back
I'll
in it.
just eat my words then. Oh
Guys,
my
you
god.
can actually do it.
Oh, that.
Okay, come on.
Okay, so guys, this is a
Come on.
shrooming one. We want to use it, the mushroom, in that little shortcut between the fences. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. There's also a bullet.
Okay, I have a red spin. Red spin. Spin.
There's a mushroom.
Okay, first. Okay, I'm in third.
I'm in 4th.
Oh no, wait. Nice. Okay, I have a mushroom and a boomerang.
I'm in 7th.
I'm in second.
Oh, nice snipe, Jordan.
Okay.
Okay, triple mushroom in 6th.
I'm in Yoshi.
I'm behind you, Jordan, so don't throw that right now.
I'm in second. I have a banana and a green. Gonna trail.
Watch out, Chase.
I know, I'm watching out.
I'm trailing.
I'm in 6th.
I'm in
Or
6th.
6th.
Okay, I'm trailing a green. I'm in second. Okay.
Yeah, watch out for Yoshi behind you.
Nico 7th right now.
Oh, yep.
Okay, I have a star.
Got him. Oh, got it. I got him. Okay, anyway. Second.
I got triple reds. Eat it. Alright. I got double
Last
reds.
stretch,
Right behind
guys.
you, Nico.
Maybe at the start.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in front of you, Jordan.
Oh. They hit me. I'm 7. Don't worry.
No!
What?
Ah, come on, in third.
4th.
Oh.
They
First,
drafted me.
4th. Okay, I think that's definitely positive.
That horn hit me.
I don't know by how much though, so
Yeah. We have to be
You
up
gotta-
on our toes.
yeah.
Our noses.
5 points. Okay.
5.
Well, okay, by 5.
Lock in this race.
All
Yup.
Yeah, close one here.
Oh,
If
nice,
they get
nice
a
job,
little
New
bit
York.
positive, they probably. Oh, I love
This is a
I
goal.
love this track, guys.
Yes,
And
sir.
the Moo Moo cow just got in the Mario Kart.
Alright, let's go.
Streaming track, guys. We got this.
Okay. Alright, I'm in 8th.
Okay, I have a mushroom.
7th with the mushroom.
I got
Pick up 8th, but I have
4th with the mushroom. Second with the mushroom. Oh, third with the
Six.
mushroom. Join JV.
First with a green
Oh,
shell.
watch out, sorry, Nico.
You're good. Okay, I'm in 6th.
I'm in 5th.
Okay, just the coin first
They
now.
have another red shell, Chase. Watch
Oh,
out.
they got top 2. Top 3. Oh, one of them got 3 as well.
Reach out.
Got him. Alright,
Anyway,
anyway.
right now.
Oh,
Oh, you somehow
nice.
got
That
him.
was
Yeah,
nice.
you somehow got him. Okay, second with the coin and a red.
Okay,
First
yeah,
right now.
count, yeah, count.
First right now with
Yeah.
coin and red.
Okay. Watch out, I have a shell.
Second right now with a red shell.
Okay,
Two red shells. Two
I
red
have 2
shells.
mushrooms and 6. Alright, I'm taking the shortcut.
Oh, I got hit. Oh, I got hit again.
Doing a red shell.
Nice.
Doing another red shell.
Okay, third with the mushroom and
Triple mushroom.
green. Oh, they got hit by the cow, I think.
Nice.
7, 6. Watch it for a horn.
I'm trying to green. Sorry.
We got me.
Oh, that.
Oh, come on. Wait, 3. 3rd. Okay. Let's go.
Second. Okay, I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough.
Fifth. Fifth.
Last. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's positive. That's good enough.
Let's see.
Hold on. Wait
I
out,
forgot the
wait
ready
out.
up
I
too.
think that's good enough. But let me. Just gotta wait.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. That was close. But we
Nice,
got it.
guys. Okay, good first set.
Yeah.
Nice comeback there, but that was way too close. You gotta,
Yep.
you gotta,
You
do,
guys step it up.
you gotta do better next time.
We got this though.
Yeah.
This
Don't
one.
get that ball. Okay.
Starting in
first,
7.
Remember to stair hop, stair jump, stair trick.
Me. Let's get a front run here.
Okay, 7.
First,
I'm in 4th. Fifth. Okay, I'm in 5th. No first. No items. Okay, make that 4th. No items. Make that 3rd. No items.
I'm in 7.
Okay, I am in 3rd. I have
I got
2 mushrooms.
I'm in 6. Okay. I'm right behind you, Nico. Wow,
Okay.
that hit me. Wow.
I'm throwing a bunch of green shells forward.
Oh, I have 4 mushrooms.
7.
I'm in 8.
I'm in 5.
Okay.
Well, hopefully we get mushrooms here, maybe come back.
Okay, I'm taking the shortcut.
I got a mushroom, taking the shortcut.
Okay. I'm in 8.
5th. Okay.
Oh, I took the
Oliver
wrong
has a
way.
mushroom behind you.
Okay, I'm in 7.
I'm in 8th.
Figure that out.
8. Triple mushrooms and a
Oh.
star.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
8th.
sorry.
No
I'm in
items.
6.
7. Behind you, Jordan, right now.
I'm
Okay.
in.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
in
in,
8th.
I'm in 6. I'm in 6.
I have a star.
7.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm in 6. I'm in 6.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
come on.
I have a gold.
5th.
I'm in 6. I'm right
Use for the
behind
star.
you. Okay. Okay. I have fireballs.
6.
Oh. Shortcut.
Aw, man, that's unfortunate. Wow.
Why are they all yellow?
Eh. Oh well.
Yeah.
Friendly fire kind of screwed us there. Okay, Schumer track. Fortunately, we're on the back, so hopefully we'll get more mushrooms.
Hopefully.
Don't worry, guys. We have 5 races left. Plenty of time to build up the weekend.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, 5th. I have a mushroom. I have a mushroom. I'm taking the shortcut.
4 foot mushroom.
8
I'm
right now
taking
with 3 mushrooms.
that. Okay.
4th. 3rd.
I'm in 2nd. 1st and 2nd. Me and Isaac.
5th. No items.
Okay.
People
Right
oh,
now.
there's a
I
red
have a
behind you.
shell
Red behind you.
Yeah. Right path. Okay. Oh, I'm
2
trailing.
reds. Watch out,
Okay,
Isaac.
trail.
I'm in 8th right now.
Okay. I'm in 1st. Watch out for my shell. Oh, I got hit.
8th right now with 4 mushrooms.
No. Wow. I'm in
Okay, I'm
7th.
in 2nd. I have a mushroom, so I'll take the shortcut.
3rd right behind you, Nico.
I'm in 6th. I'm in 5th. Yoshi behind you has a mushroom chase.
Okay. So we're all gonna take a shortcut, Gene. Take the shortcut with a mushroom in 2nd.
Okay. I have a horn and a coin.
I'm in 5th.
Okay. Oh shoot,
Yoshi.
boomerang. I'm coming up right behind you, Nico.
What? Yoshi's in.
I'm behind you, Nico.
Yep.
And the guy behind us has okay, he used his boomerang.
Koopa has triple reds.
Okay, I'm still behind you, Nico. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay.
On trail. Watch out. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm in what, fifth.
They have
I'm in
second.
fifth. I'm in
They have
fifth.
second.
Okay. I'm steering out of control. I'm a six. I'm a six.
Okay, I have a point.
Chalk. Boom.
Oh,
Yeah.
shot, let's
That's a
go.
shot right there.
And that should hit him.
Using a
First.
behind you, Jordan.
Okay.
Nice.
That's
Seven.
six. Ooh.
Yeah. Okay. What's the score?
20.
20-point differential. Okay. We came back from.
Okay, running.
There's a bullet extension in the middle of the piano. If you back.
Okay.
First or this one?
The first piano. The first piano.
Alright, so the one at the beginning. Okay.
Yeah. I think I'm actually gonna back here. You guys front run though. You guys
Okay. I'm in six. Six.
Second, no wide open.
Watch out for red shirt behind you, Isaac.
Oh, red jump. Nope, never mind. Okay, 7.
Oh, okay. I'm in fifth.
Please still.
Okay,
I'm in
6,
fourth,
no
no
wide
item.
Alright, anyway.
Okay, I'm right next to you. Let me go.
Alright.
Okay, I'm in fourth. Fireballs, fireball. They have fireballs behind me.
Alright. Alright, still some mushrooms.
Okay, I got triple bananas.
Crazy 8. Fifth and a bullet. Fifth and a bullet.
I got hit.
Third.
I have 3 mushrooms and a gold.
I'm in fifth. I'm in fifth. I'm in sixth.
Third right now with the mushroom.
I'm in seventh.
8 with the gold.
Okay. I'm in seventh.
Third.
I'm in sixth.
I have a bullet. Yes.
Triple mushrooms in third.
I'm in
behind
seventh.
Isaac.
I'm in seventh.
Okay, I'm gonna take the run extension.
Blue shell!
Halfway through.
Blue shout.
Yes, that was me.
Alright, Bill.
Mushroom and super horn in third.
Okay, I'm in sixth. Watch out, we go.
Okay, nice. I'm 5th.
Second. Threw a banana behind me. There's a bomb. First. Yes, nice. That's positive.
Okay, fifth.
6.
Fifth, sixth. Okay, that's great, guys. That's great.
Nice.
It's
Nice.
crazy how I went from backing to just running. Like, nah, I'm just gonna run. Okay, that was really positive, guys. That was pretty good.
Nice.
That was pretty good.
We're catching up
Damn.
slowly.
9.
A 20-point differential went below 10. But yeah, you just run most of the time because.
Alright, let's be more careful with our turns.
Yeah, I didn't get
and
hit
items.
there in Music Park a lot, and that was really good.
Okay.
Okay, 7.
Okay, third.
Mushroom.
I'm in seventh.
Mushroom 6. Third.
I have a red shell. I'm gonna wait for the next item pop.
Okay. Oh, good. Cut off.
Third with mushroom. Second.
Okay, 8.
Okay, I'm six. I'm six.
I have 2 mushrooms and 8. 7.
Six.
Mushroom and a red shell in second.
By the way, what?
Okay, I'm in fifth. No item.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Okay, hit one of them on the glider. Hit one on the glider.
Nice.
Third with
Okay,
mushroom.
I'm in 5th.
I got
Second also has
mushroom.
mushroom. He's gonna probably pass by.
Wanna take mushrooms with that?
Oh, never mind.
Oh, no. I didn't want that.
Third. Okay, he's got a red shell behind you, Isaac.
I got two people with the
I'm in
bomb.
fourth. Oh, I'm about to see.
Third with the bomb. Third with the bomb.
Yeah, I see him. I'm going with the wait,
Going
red
behind
shell.
me.
Okay, got that drop. I'm third.
Second.
I'm third trail.
Okay, second with a mushroom and a red shell.
Okay, I'm in sixth. Okay. I have
Okay, nice. I'm in second with a mushroom and a red shell. I'm gonna. Okay. I'm not gonna take the shortcut, Isaac. Okay.
I have triple mushrooms and triple greens.
I don't want to get hit by that banana.
I'm in third.
Not behind me.
I'm fourth.
Blue. Oh, blue shell. Blue shell.
Blue shell.
Blue shell, Isaac.
Okay.
Fine, it's fine. I'm right. We have top three, so it's fine. I'm right behind you.
Boomerang.
Okay, pass first with the mushroom and a red shell.
Okay, I have a mushroom.
Get my mushrooms first with just a red shell.
Okay, I'm in third. Guys, they have triple mushrooms. I'm in third.
Okay, first still with a red shell. Trailing it. Trailing it.
I'm in third.
Super horn.
Red shell, watch out.
I got it.
Double red shell.
First.
Second.
First.
Okay, we're good though. Third.
Second. Third. Yo,
Yeah.
nice 3 stack. Nice 3 stack.
Eighth.
Okay, last. That's fine. That's fine. 3 stack. I think that brings us in the lead, guys. I think that brings us in the lead.
And
I
dude.
did it. I got a blooper.
Nice.
Ooh, 2-point lead. 2-point lead, guys. What is it? The 4th race. So 2 races left. Let's just.
The first wrap.
Clearly, someone's excited about it.
Is it true that you don't trick? Wait, do you trick off with this or no?
Yes.
Okay.
First, getting the coins.
Alright, seventh.
About the coins.
First with the red.
Alright. Okay, seventh.
Going white for coins right now.
Okay, I'm behind you, Case. I'm
6th. Okay, don't trail that red shell, Jordan.
Okay. And
Oh, I got hit. Okay,
4th,
seventh.
taking the shortcut. Second.
I'm in third.
Okay,
Second
seventh.
with just the coin.
Okay.
Second.
I have 2 mushrooms.
First.
I'm in
Isaac,
third.
where should I use these mushrooms?
Second.
Oh, I know.
Second with a banana coin. Put a banana on the stairs.
Okay, fifth.
I'm in sixth.
Okay, guy in third has a red. Use his red. Use his red.
Second right now.
I have mushrooms. You think I've got
First has a bomb. He's probably gonna bomb the shortcut. Just saying. Never mind, he did it.
Yeah.
Okay, third.
He bombed the doubles. He bombed the doubles.
Okay. I'm in fourth with no item. Please don't hit the tree. Please don't hit the tree, Jordan.
Okay, second.
Do a red shell forward.
Dreading.
Third
I'm
right
in
now.
green. Dreading a green.
Okay, second with screws.
Okay. I'm trailing red. Okay, I'm going to throw red. Watch out.
Okay, second.
Oh, Jonah hit me.
Oh,
Oh, he has a bomb, guys. He has a bomb. Watch out. He's on the right side right now. He's on the right side. And he's gonna cycle here. Yeah, it's on the left side. On the left side.
all right.
Heads up, there's a green.
Does he have any items?
He has a green shell.
Do it back.
Nah.
Second. Second.
Third.
Third. Okay, top 2, second, and third.
Oh. Fifth.
Okay.
I got Mario Kart
I
at
think
the end
that's
there.
possible. I'm not sure. At the very least, I hope we're tied. I don't know. I hope we're tied.
Dang. I got
Okay,
Mario
that
Kart
was
at the
that was positive for them. +1. Okay,
Okay.
guys, we need top 2 this race. If we got top 2 this
Top
race, we
two.
win the entire thing.
Let's go.
Okay. I play on
Okay,
this one a
finally.
lot.
Yeah, so do I. It's actually one of the funner course tracks.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in eighth.
I'm in 6th.
Fifth.
I'm in
I have
last.
5th with a mushroom. I'm gonna probably just use it at the second.
I have a stream in seventh.
Eighth with a mushroom.
Okay.
fourth. Move
I
two
have-
mushrooms.
I have 4
I got two
mushrooms.
mushrooms. Taking the shortcut.
Oh, guy has
Oh.
a. Okay.
I've been 7.
Third.
Taking the second shortcut. First with the coin.
Third.
I'm in 6.
Second right now.
Okay. Third.
I'm in 6. I'm in 4th. I'm in 4th. I'm in 4th. I'm gonna chain that.
Six. Six with the red shell. Going in behind me.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, never mind. 3 or 4. Watch out.
Okay.
Okay.
I have another red.
6.
Oh, the second has a horn.
Oh,
I have
fireball.
fire. I have fire. I'm not throwing it. I'm not throwing it. Okay.
I got them. I'm in
Fireball.
That
still.
guy's fire. There's so much fire.
I'm in 6. Got my hit.
6.
I'm in second. Mushroom and red.
Watch out. I have. Oh, I have. Okay.
8.
4.
Okay. I have a red. Wait. I'm in
7 with a mushroom and a golden.
Watch out. I'm in 7. I have a red shell. Watch out, Chase.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm in 7.
Oh, you got it. Alright, hold on, wait.
Star. I'm in 4. I'm in 4th. Please take shortcut, George.
Second. Guys.
Yo, fifth.
Oh.
I don't know. Wait. Oh wait, no, that's definitely positive. That's definitely positive. I think this is it, guys.
Wait.
We just gotta wait for that faded scoreboard. Come on. Please.
Yeah! Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woof.
Yay.
Oh. Nice.
CATA esports.